Hello, I'm Dominic. I'm from Manchester in England. I'm 44 years old and I'd like to share with you the experiences of my treatment here at Dr Vorobiev's clinic in Belgrade, Serbia. Approximately 7 years ago, I was involved in a motor vehicle accident in Malaysia, which left me with lower back injuries. These injuries required pain medication and I was given tramadol. This was administered over a 6-month period, and within that time I should have sought adequate physiotherapy help. I didn't, however. I stayed on a path of addiction, which turned into 7 years eventually, and just increased the dosages over time. Along with tramadol, I was prescribed xanax and diazepam for anxiety. I'm suspecting this came from the nature of the tramadol drug, or maybe it was both my anxiety as well. But this too took on a regular pattern of addiction with the tramadol, and in a lot of cases I didn't need it, but I took it anyway. I reached a point where the intake of large doses, I couldn't do it anymore, and I needed help, and immediate help. I'm a project manager in the oil and gas industry, and I've worked globally, and I can't afford to have this hindrance. I need to be clear and with a focused mind with what I'm doing every day. I turned to the Dr Vorobiev's clinic, again that's in Belgrade, Serbia, based on its reputation in the field of rapid detoxification and naltrexone implants, which is a special drug that allows you, it's designed so the patient is completely finished with any kind of psychological cravings to any drugs or pharmaceuticals. I was admitted into the clinic for a period of 12 days. This is my 11th day. Tomorrow I go home, and I'd like to share what it was like with you in the clinic from my point of view. To begin, I'd like to say that the treatment and care administered to me was unparalleled. I've been to 3 rehab clinics previously. One was in London, one was in Tokyo, and the other one was in Singapore. And they were successful for a small period of time. But what I've done here at this clinic is I've also addressed the root problem, which is my lower back, through the chiropractic care. So it's been a win-win situation in a very short period of time. To begin, I'd like to say the treatment and care administered was unparalleled. The experience of doctors and nurses, along with a wonderful disposition, put me on a path to recovery in no time at all. I'll tell you what happened at the clinic. I was administered sessions of detoxification along with chiropractic therapy to correct my lower back, and psychiatric and psychological care as well. This was all done at the same time. There's a lot packed into a small period of time, which is good. What I'm used to in the UK or any other place I've been is long periods of time with different people, but this is the opposite. This is very effective. The clinic itself is a comfortable reside that has patients coming in from all over the world, which is interesting as well in its own right, and you meet a lot of good different people. I found the clinic to have a good social atmosphere amongst the entire team and the patients. There's always a good vibe going on, even though we're in here for a serious issue to deal with. The end result on day 11 is one of complete absence of any cravings, no reaction to the implant, and I have focus now that I haven't had in 7 or 8 years. It's completely diamond clear, and it's allowed me to reflect on the past, what I've done, what I need to do in the future, and map out part of what I'm going to do next. And finally, I'd like to say thank you again to everybody at the clinic. Treatment with care and rapid removal from an evil that held me for 7 years. So thank you very much, Dr Vorobiev Clinic, everybody involved for treating me. Thank you.